Hello everyone, let's look at 3-sum closest. The problem statement is we are given an array of n integers and a target integer, and then we need to find 3 integers in the array such that the sum is closest to target. Then we return the sum of 3 integers. An example here is the input array is -1, 2, 1, -4. Target value is 1. The output is 2. It's because the sum that's closest to the target is 2. That's -1 plus 2 plus 1 equals 2. If you happen to watch my earlier video, you can find the solution for 3-sum. The problem is really similar. As a result, we can pretty much use the same idea behind it. That is, we order the input array, we loop through the array using 2 pointers. We make the 2 pointers move towards center to find the closest sum until they meet each other. If I have confused you by using only these 3 bullet points, I can confirm that it will be clear when we look at the code logic. First, let's reorder the input array. By doing this, we have sorted the input array ascendingly. Then, let's have a variable to save the result. So this value, we just pick the first 3 items and then we make it a sample value. In our loop, we will keep updating this value and make it closer to the target value. So let's start our loop. Here, the stop condition is I less than nums.length -2. This is because our 2 pointers, they will all live at the right side of our I. Let's claim our start and end variables. At the beginning, start will just at the start point to the right side of I, end will point to the end of our array. Now, let's start moving our start and end based on the sum value. Then we can do the comparison. We compare the sum value and target value, and then we can decide to move the start index or end index. If sum value is greater than target, so we want to reduce the sum value, then we can reduce the end index. Otherwise, we want to improve the sum value. That means we can move the start index to its right, so we can increase the sum value. In the end, we always check if the sum value is closer to the target compared with this original value. So if this sum value is closer to target value, then we replace the sum value to this ends. So let's return. Let's submit. It passed. Also, for the previous three-sum problem, we also check the duplication. For this question, you can do the same thing. But for me, I will just leave it here. Let's look at complexity. For space, I think it's constant. And for time, same like the three-sum problem, it's O of n squared. Because we have this two loop. First one is the for loop, the second one is the while loop. If you have any question, please leave a comment below. Thank you.